So hello and welcome to another smellycatcreations video. In this video I was asked to make the Kogatana Dracule Mihawk's blade from One Piece. So this is a brass and steel prop with a leather strap on it. As you'll see, I put that all together at the end. Following most of my other videos, as you know, mostly I work with CNC machines and lasers, so I decided I would take this to the CNC, do some design work on the computer, and I would CNC out most of the brass parts and watch the video. Hope you like it. Sit back and enjoy, and thanks for viewing.
So I decided to cheat again. I'm machining out the blade. It's not the nicest material to machine, but at least I know it'll be perfectly symmetrical and straight, and yeah, probably going to destroy that car, but don't worry about that. I'd rather throw the cutter away. It's quicker than hand cutting it out. There she is. It's our little blade. Cleaned her up. She's ready for putting the grind on there for the blade. Ignore all that noise. I'm actually just cutting another one. Haven't ground a blade before, so best to have a spare. So it was a lot easier CNC machining that out. At least I get nice straight parallel edges, top and bottom. Just got to knock these corners out in here with a file so that they're square. So I've done all the CNC programs for the two halves of the scabbard section. We've got all of our other parts for the handle. So I've got to do two parts of the scabbard, two parts of the handle. I'm going to get that put up on the machine and machine that out. So as you can see, back at the machine, got the brass stock dangling out the vise there. I'm going to do the two halves of the handle and the two halves of the scabbard as two separate programs, and get them done, and hopefully it will all fit together.
So I hope you liked the video of the making of the Kogatana. I was really pleased with it. It turned out really nice. It was a bit of a challenge. It certainly took me a while. It took longer than it looks. But yeah, I really enjoyed it. It was I'm really pleased with how it turned out, and I hope you enjoyed watching the video of how it was made. Please like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you all again in a new video.